Rina, do you like this omelet? Yeah? Okay, well, this is our sort of snack for the day, morning snack, lunch. I think Kento is happy, right, with his mango drink? He doesn't look happy, but he should be. We're almost done. We're gonna head out and go see a movie. Are we gonna go see a movie, Kento? I think you're ready. We're almost done. No, that's like pure sugar. 砂糖の塊 pure sugar. I think we're done. About done. And we're gonna head out. I wonder if there's any chicks. Wow. Large variety of chicks. いろんな種類のひよこがいるみたいです。Wow, and this is where people come to pick up chicks. Wow, they look so cute. かわいいね。Wow, I wonder how old they are, or how young. They look so cute, but I don't know what I would do after they get bigger. And there's even a rabbit here. So this rabbit is not for sale, it's the store's pet. 面白い看板見つけました。Press red button for complete department. 文句ある人はここを押してねって書いてあるんですけど、これはマウストラップです。ネズミ捕りのトラップ。Is it gonna get Kento? Is it chasing after Kento? どういうことを追ってるのかな? So thanks for watching!